All right, we are going to show you how to find a grave. We're going to open up Find a Grave. And right now I'm going to go to the main page so you can see where we're at. So we're going to do a cemetery search, and it will show you what cemetery is closest to you. Because we are in a cemetery, the Smithfield Cemetery, we are going to go here, and we are going to check out memorials. Now there's this slider down here. These are memorials with pictures. These are without pictures. When it's talking about photos, it's photos of the grave sites. We're going to check all of them because not only are the photos important, but also the GPS so people can find their person. I am typing in this one that I'm standing in front of, which is Chloe Cantwell. Now, Cantwell, they're all in alphabetical order, and I do not see this one. So we are going to contribute a photo. So I'm going to contribute, we're going to say a new headstone photo. We're in this place, we're going to take a photo. We're going to get close so we can get a good picture. They can read that. Boom. We're going to say okay. And because there's not a half, we're going to say we're done. If you had a front and a back, you'd want to do both sides and group them together. Now it says the photo's ready to transcribe. I'm going to transcribe those later. You can even not transcribe them, and it will go to the public, and somebody will do it for you. All right, so we're going to actually go back here and search for another one. I'm in front of one called Eliza Jane Mouritsen. And look, she has a picture, but there's no GPS. So we're going to add her coordinates. Boom. The GPS was added. No question mark anymore. Then you'd also want to do that for the husband as well if there's two people on there. So we're going to go, the husband was William Hammer. So we're going to find William. Oh, here he is. And look at this. There is no GPS. And I'm curious because I'm looking at this gravestone and it looks like a totally different one here. Let's check this one out. William Hammer Cantwell. These are different dates. Married and their 3 daughters. I might have just added this to the wrong person. So let's check this out. Oh, look at, there's a lot of William Hammer Cantwells. Oh, this is the one. William Hammer Cantwell. We're gonna need to figure out where this other GPS, and I'll have to go in and fix that. So it's good to double check the birth dates and the death dates before you click the thing. Good thing we're learning about this. All right, that's all for today.